cables are clean, but I can't now. First time I did it on easy way, now I can't. That is easy way again. I don't know this this design of these these light on. There is good thing about discharge. I told you that I love that kind of design, but this design to blow without a particular reason. There is nothing happen which could cause this. So okay, now I fixed it. I can now work like this. And now time to remove this switch, this fuse. You see in previous video that one was blown totally, but it's well known when MOSFETs go kaput. Most likely PWM controller go kaput. When PWM controller go kaput, there is a few resistors and maybe small capacitors with should be checked carefully, because if especially one big resistors like 200 kilo ohms plus minus 50 kilo ohms, if that resistor is blown, if it is breaken, if that resistor pretend that it's like not there, it will instantly blown MOSFETs again. Look at how much garbage dropping out. Look at this. Too much, but that is. I truly would like to fix this, but this design, it looks like quite bad design. 4 amps, 4 amps. There we go. Fuse. Do you like this kind of work? All original parts, no random parts, and so on. And fuse is in place. let me just check one thing. I'm very untrust regarding this is push nothing. No, I need diode mode. Okay. Okay. It looks fine. Rectifier. But this, let me see if we can read anything here. CTA 6050. Did you notice that it's actually LTA 1605? LTA. Let me try one more time. This looks exactly like China part. AliExpress. Look at it. 14 euros shipping, 50 euros. Bye bye. Thank you, but no. Maybe other on AliExpress have only 2 suppliers for it. This one. Oh, maybe I could order this one. Add to cart. What we going to do? I don't know. I'm stopping here. Everything is a bit wrong. I'm sorry. We'll continue when I be ready. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.